Lumens, your reliable partner.
This video will demonstrate how to use CamConnect Lite with an introduction to the software and its interface. This video is in 4 parts. Let's take a look at what equipment you need. You'll need Lumens CamConnect Lite software ready to install on a Windows PC, a Lumens USB camera, such as the VC, R30 and an array microphone, which is compatible with CamConnect Lite. Step 2. Install software. Go to mylumens.com and click on the download page, then type CamConnect Lite in the search bar. Now download the installation file. Please complete the following steps to complete the installation. Now we're going to do the initial hardware setup. Install your microphone on the ceiling of the room and connect it to a network switch. Launch CamConnect Lite software and select your microphone. Fill in the microphone's IP address. On the right-hand side, synchronize the microphone's pickup zones with the camera's preset positions. In the Advanced Settings tab, you can set a delay time before a preset is triggered. You can also set the home position. The camera will return to this preset if there is a pause in a discussion or presentation. Finally, click link to connect the software and camera. Let's see how it works. As you can see, when a delegate in position 5 begins speaking, the camera is triggered, which automatically frames the appropriate delegate. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.